Namaste student. We are going to solve problem number 3, which is find the loci. Loci means locus in spherical coordinates of a sphere. A square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. There are 4 options. First one is r is equal to 3, second is r is equal to 1, third is r is equal to 2, and fourth is r is equal to 4. One of the option is correct. So let's solve this problem. But what is the meaning of loci? Loci is nothing but a short form of locus. Locus means it is equal to position. This kind of condition is satisfy particular sets of point. That sets of points are nothing but a locus or loci. Let's solve this problem. Problem number 3. So here problem number 3, data. What is data? A square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. Find loci. What is the condition of loci? Sets of point. For spherical coordinate system, x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, z is equal to r cos theta. We are going to put this x, y, z in above equation. That's why x square is nothing but r square sin square theta cos square phi plus y square is nothing but r square sin square theta sin square phi plus what is z square? Z square is a r square cos square theta, which is equal to 9. Now here in first term r square sin theta square is common. R square sin theta square is common in first and second term. So we are going to put it outside of the bracket. So it look like this, sin square theta in bracket cos square phi plus sin square phi plus r square cos square phi, which is equal to 9. And you know that sin square phi plus cos square phi is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1. So this equation will reduce to r square. Now here in this term r square is common in first term, and here also r square is common. So we are going to put it outside, and this bracket is turning into 1. So what is remaining? Sin square theta. So I am putting sin square theta in first term plus r square. I have taken r square out of the bracket plus cos square phi. Cos square phi. It is not cos square, it is theta. My mistake, sorry. This is theta, which is equal to 9. I am going to close this bracket. Again, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this equation will reduce to r square equal to 9. That is r is equal to 3. This is our answer, which is the one of the option. Here it is. R square is equal to 3. R square is equal to 3. This is one of our option. R square is one of our option. Okay. Now go for problem number 4. Now let me talk something more about the loci. Loci means what? Loci means set of the point which follow particular property. If I draw a circle, these are the circles. Circumference of the circle is nothing but a sets of point. These are the sets of point. And what is the common property in all the points on circumference? Those points are situated at distance r from center. Distance r from the center. This is a, so we can call r equal to something is nothing but a loci of the circle. Loci of the circle. Now let's go for problem number 4. What is 4 problem? Find loci in spherical coordinate system of a cone z square is equal to 3 plus a square plus y square. Now again find the locus, sets of point which follow some kind of properties. So what is the equation? Equation is z square plus 3 a square plus y square. Okay, for spherical coordinate system. So what is for spherical coordinate system? Z is equal to r cos theta x is equal to r sine theta cos phi, y is equal to r sine theta sin phi. So we are going to put this in above equation. So z square is nothing but r square cos square theta, which is equal to 3. Now again a square plus y square, so this term is common, so we are going to put it outside, square of it, r square sin square theta. What is remaining? Cos square phi plus sin square phi, cos square phi plus sin square phi. So here cos square phi plus sin square phi is 1. So equation will turn to, here r square is on left side also, r square is on right side also, so we are going to cut it. So what will be remaining? Cos square theta is equal to 3 sin square theta. So sin square theta divided by cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3. 3 is in numerator, it will go to the denominator in left side, and numerator of cos square theta on left hand side will go to the denominator on right hand side. That's why sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. We are taking root. That means tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So for what value of theta, tan theta, for what value of theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan inverse of 1 by root 3. So what is the, for what value tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3? Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. If you look the table of sin and cos, you will find that for theta value, therefore theta value equal to pi by 6, for theta value pi by 6, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So our answer is tan theta is equal to pi by 6. So where is the answer? Here is the 4th number question. Theta pi by 2, theta pi by 4 and theta pi by 6. This is our answer. This is the answer. Okay. So please solve this problem. If once you please solve this problem. Okay. Goodbye.